Hey everyone, welcome to my session. Uh, I gave ChatGPT information like it gave some options to proceed further in this Spark Learning area. It says real world pipeline designs, end to end Fang style, and rapid interview questions plus coding. That's what it says, and deep dive into any weak area. So I asked about as I want to practice code. I think it's better to practice how to write that. I am more interested in like how to write variables, loops. It's better fill the blanks with help as type. With the help will help as typing and giving big answers taking a lot of time in ChatGPT. So that's the way I want to check. Mm, I want to check my standards. Fill in the blanks type. So it gave answer all in one go. Fast typing. Don't overthink. I'll correct. Give your no. I wanna do one by one. I wanna do one by one, and at least at least many questions as as I want to get perfect in writing code. Let's see, and I'll say one by one. That's the better way because um, so instead of reading everything at once and it's step by step will be the better way of learning this. So let's practice that now. Now it will ask one question, and based on that, I'll write answers. I hope it will be a little fast. We'll see how it goes. Rate CSV here. Give three values. Keep it simple. Give all three values. Read. Sorry. CSV, comma CSV, comma true, comma load. I think load. I think target path. Load to the certain path like slash tmp. Maybe this is the one. Let's wait for the answer. It seems to be pretty simple, small. It is dragging a bit, but the thing is, the code practice is the mandatory thing we need to understand now. So there is small there is small gap is happening in code practice. Yeah, coding practice will be better. I think. Let's see what is the answer. Exactly right, and fill the blanks. Fill two blanks. What is this? Call df dot. But why this? What it wants to do without telling a question? How can I select and filter? Okay, okay. So select, comma filter. This is the one. So column operation, age is greater than 30. You are filtering name and age. Okay. First, initially, we'll do few, not many number of questions with like this, and after that, we'll try to uh, uh, it to the difficult level. So let's see. Fill in the blanks with the column salary. What it wants to do is salary underscore k column salary with column operation is I understood now. But what it needs to be done here? Column salary. How come this? I think. I think just it's a buy. If it's buy the 1,000, it will go into K. So here we need to understand is with column operations, and it needs to specify new column name, column salary underscore k comma column slash salary by. Uh, I don't know whether it's a correct answer or not, because if you divide salary by 1,000, it will be 1k. That's a correct. Okay. Divided by 1k. Group by aggregation. Mm, okay. So count. So here group by plus aggregation Python so and so count and average it is considering, and df equals to df dot group by dept dot aggregation of count area cnt. What it needs to count star, I think it needs to give, because it will count everything and it will count star salary. This is not a right way of questioning. uh, it is giving, I think it's memorizing. See, this is a problem I could say here, but I'll answer this question anyway. Count of anybody can here that it should be star count of star, star comma average. Obviously, average salary column. It is not defined any column names, but it is expecting me to answer correctly. How can I say this is a correct answer? But it needs to do what exactly I need to do here. Like it needs to ask for what exactly I need to do. And it needs to give a requirement first. So in this case, it is not given any requirement. Star comma salary I said, but areas anyway I know. This is a little different actually. It is giving the if you observe this type of questions asked by AI, it is not able to understand how to present you the question here. It's just skipping few values here. Okay. Next, for example, this is okay. This is joint type. Here, the joint type will be joint type. Um, keep all rows from df1. Okay, this is a good question. Here, this is a good question here, because it says it asks you something, but here it is not asking anything. Fill two blanks. It says, but it's nothing given here. You know what? All rows from df1. Join type to keep all rows from df1 is right. This is the right answer, I believe, but It's analyzing the answer. It is taking one step. Not correct. A good moment to fix this clearly. Keep all rows from DF1 right now. Okay, okay, got it. DF1 join with, oh yeah, DF2 left. Okay, okay, that's correct. I was little confused about why I was confusing about this is this DF1 and this 2 I'm joining. That's what I thought, but it's here. DF1 dot DF2 is the join. So if I wanna keep all those things, it's left. That's correct. Keep all rows from the left. Left table match from F2, match from DF2 table, and else is nulls. Okay, that's correct. Now answer. Your answer right to if we keep DF2. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, not DF1. Yeah, that's correct. Left giant keep left table. Right giant keep right table. Yeah, that's correct. Next window, fill the blanks. Mm, Window partitioned by window function row number column partition by DEPT group by. The answer is group by and over W. Group by comma over comma W. I think B should be capital. That's what it might say. Here, what is the code here? W equals to window dot partition by um, partition by DEVT dot. This is a good attempt, not correct. Let's fix this. Partition by uses order by, not group by. Okay, here it is order by. It's not group by, and you answered correctly on W2. That's a window. Order by window is the correct answer. Okay, that's fine. Full code. It's RN number over M. Oh, that's correct. Partition by groups data logically defines ranking order inside each group. Yeah, that's correct. Null handling. Mm, Filter column salary. Df dot filter column salary filter not null. Not is null. Not null. Is null. Not null. Keep only non-null values. It's not null or not is null. Maybe not is null. I believe, but let's see. Okay. Correct. Is not null. Is null. Is not null. Okay, that's good actually. Not null. Just fix the exact function name. That is correct. Is not null. Is null. Store is not null. Okay, I got it. Repartition. DF repartition randomly distribute into 5 partitions. Repartition. 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 But you are not aligned with me. I'm giving a GPT that you are not aligned with me, as I am expecting something like something like below. So whatever the information it is giving right now, whatever the questioning it is asking right now, I don't like it. So I want to fix that part. So that's why what I did is I'll give that question something like that. Example, man, it is not coming. I don't know why. Hold on a second, it's not coming. Let it come. Okay. Example question. Question is write code to partition data data frame df data frame df into 5 partitions. 5 partitions. Okay, if GPT asks question like this, i need to answer I need to answer I need to answer just not like. Okay, I don't want to confuse. I need to answer some, I'll say T TMP equals to df dot repartition of PR repartition PARTITION of 5. Okay, this is the way I want. Here I'll say that if I make any mistake here, you correct me later. That's what I'm expecting. So if there is any, but you're not aligned with me, as I am expecting something like below. Question, write code to partition data frame df into 5 partitions. I need to answer tmp equals to df dot repartition 5. If I made any mistake here, you can explain me in detail manner. I want to I want to practice code. Okay, I'll say that as I am forgetting the code, as I'm not able to memorize the code, that's why I'm asking like this. That's what I want to say, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, as I'm not able to remember the code, as I'm not able to remember the code, I wanna practice in this way. Okay. Since okay, the motive, so the prompt itself is the main important thing that a GPT can understand and it replicate the same. I want more questions. That's what also I'm supposed to ask. But let's continue this session little long, so that we'll improve our coding skills actually. So that's the way I have mentioned. But let's see what it says. So till Spark streaming, we have learned most of the important concepts. So now concepts purpose, we are good in those lines. But if any scenario comes up, I am able to understand, and hmm, I am able to know what to be done, but I don't know how to do. So for that part only, I was asking, but why it is struggling for that, I don't understand. Is it a problem with the YouTube Live, or it's a problem with the GPT? Whenever I ask this type of little complicated things, it will take a lot of efforts to fulfill that. Still, it is not coming. Let's see. Let's hope for best. Okay, got it. We'll do that exactly that way from now on. The answer is correct. It is repartition. Okay, why this is correct? Repartition 5 creates a new data frame. Okay, next question. Write code to keep only rows from data frame DF where salary is not null. Okay, I won't assign this to a particular any other data frame. I'll just write a code there. DF dot. I don't know why it is not coming. It's df dot filter, it's not filler, filter of column of salary dot not is null. I think this is the right code, but let's see. Df dot filter column salary dot not is null. If there's any corrections here, right, I mean we can implement in the next question. Df dot filter column of salary not is null. I think I forgot one more bracket. I need to end with the bracket. That I forgot. Okay, fine. Hmm. Your answer. Okay. Correct answer. Filter column salary is not null. Not is null. No, wrong. Is not null. Okay, that's fine. So minor mistake only, but I think yeah we can correct in the next one. Is not null. Not is null. Is not null. Remember it. Is not null. Okay. Next question. Write code to add new column bonus df dot with column with column of, I think internal to that it's not a column operation. New column name bonus, of course, obviously bonus. Okay, bonus is a new column, comma. Mm, Write code to add new column bonus as 10% of salary in data frame df. Okay, df dot with the column bonus, comma, 10% of column salary into column of, let's we can specify a comma here, call quotation salary into star 0.01. 10% means 10 by 100, 0.01. 0.01. 0.01. Okay, this is what it needs to be a bonus. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. If it is give a quick result, right, it will be like a great tool to know. Oh, your answer is wrong. Okay, just one correction. What is that one correction? With column 0.1 into 0.1. 10% equals to 0.1. 1% is okay. 10 by 100, 0.1. Yeah, of course. I know 10 by 100. But yeah, I'm a little confused. Okay. Next code. That is only the correction. Yes, that is only the correction. Rest is very good. Okay. Nice. Okay. Write a code to get count of rows per department from the data frame. Count of rows df dot group by dept, group by dept, group by dept dot count. That's it. I think write code to get count of rows per department. It needs to be group by dept dot count. Data frame df. Yes, of course. This is correct answer, I believe. So why I am practicing in this way is so that I can able to. So yeah, I'm getting the idea, but not able to write the code. So this way, if I practice little bit more, what happens is I'll get a good grip on the syntax part. So once the syntax is there, I mean, I'll definitely able to do easily. df and df2 keep only matching records. So key is an id, of course. df1 dot join of, sorry, key is df2 comma, key is id, because both sides it's an id, you can write in a short form, or else df1 dot id equals to df2 dot id. That's also you can write in that way. So type is inner because only it needs to have matching records. Inner, this is a good code. Or you can write, I'll say, you want if you want in if you don't want short way, So df dot join of, oh sorry, df1 dot join df2 comma, what is the key is d, sorry, df1 dot df1 dot id equals to df2 dot id. I think there is some hiccup here. I am not able to understand, but let's see. I am little confused. I think the condition I need to mention the df1 dot id without square bracket or not, I'm not sure. But this is, let's see, comma, inner is the same. That will close like this, and let's see. So it may take a bit of a time, but here the lack of knowledge of writing code will be get rid of, and you'll be able to know coding in a better way. Could attempt a couple of important fixes. Okay, what is that? You use df2, okay, as a string, okay, should be data frame variable. Join condition syntax is in second one is incorrect. Okay, why it is incorrect? Preferred, correct answer is preferred is clean way, simple join, same key is id, and of course, yeah. So that's what I was having a doubt here. So here, okay, with column name, okay. Now df1, okay. Now I understood. So use variable equals to df2, not df2 quotations. Okay. So variable, okay. id, use strong quotations only when both have same column names. Of course, use condition when column names differ. So since the column names are not differ, then it's a good way of learning. But yeah, the thing I was already having a doubt at this point. I mean, if I'm exclusively mentioning like this, I can mention like this, like df1 dot id equals to df2 dot id instead of in quotations, like I mentioned here in quotations. So that's a gap I fixed here now. Okay, now that's a good thing. So next, write code to get top one salary per department using window function. This is a good question. It will say it will take 2 to 3 lines max. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to define window first. W equals to mm, this is a good question actually. I don't know how to write actually, but let's try. Df dot window of window, what we needs to write, what we need to write, what we need write. Write code to get top one salary per department using window function. Okay, window. Window dept. Okay, I'll say quotations dept comma sal comma salary. Mm, dot group group by dept. Okay, dept. We have window dept. It's desc descending order. I need to do in descending order. Good. Alt enter. Now, I think top sal equals to at least why to start this tabs top sal equals to df dot. Okay, df dot filter. I think w. Okay, df dot filter. I'm going into the right idea, but there is some gap. Df dot filter. uh, df dot filter, for example salary. I think call operation. We need to filter into do call operation column salary greater than filter. No, it's not filter. I think it's select. I think select the first line. Maybe df dot select the first line while column operation. Select first record. That's it, right? Select. I believe it should be select. Select column record 1 over w. I'm just giving a gist of it. I think the correct code will get sooner. Wait. Let's answer in this way. As of now, whatever the information I have. Okay. Good try, but this one needs a reset. It's built. Let's build it correctly. Issue is df window not valid for this. Okay, window is not valid for this way. Let's see window w equals to window dot partition by dept order by column salary. How come it will take? Window is just a definition. With column, I need to say Not valid for this use. Group D is not valid. Of course, group by DAC is not valid. Order by DAC is valid. Yeah, order by I need to give again. I gave group by. Record one over W incorrect syntax. So row number. Okay, in the same way, second highest salary. So by observing the above code, I need to write. Similar to above that example it is given, so I need to give like I'll copy these libraries first. Okay, I'll copy this here. Top record it is asking, but now in this case it is asking second highest record. So let me practice that. So really slow. It is really so slow. I'm so sorry, but there is no other way for me. So now in this case, what I need to write here is Alt Enter. Here I'll define the window function. Enter again. W equals to window. It's W caps window dot. It's taking a lot of time. W equals to window, not capital W, it's a small w only. W window. Let's for the practice purpose only I'm writing this window dot partition by. It's not group by. Partition by DEPT. Okay. Dot. Okay. Order by. Column operation. Order by cannot accept direct column. So column operation. Column dot column of salary dot DSC descending order I need to write, and I need to close the bracket of order by. Close the bracket of order by. Over that window I need to do with column operation with column RN. So top sal record I need to get it's a record or row number I included and okay, top sal equals to df dot with column of row. Okay, row comma row number is the function. Okay, row number is the function over in where we need to apply this over window over w is the window. Over window we need to apply the row number with column operation till it performed. But in that also the entire thing will come now in that we need to filter of column row is the column you declared in the data frame. Okay, equals to 2. This way you will get a second from each. How it will read each and every file, but let's see. Okay, so code to get the second highest salary per department. Okay, each department will get a second highest salary now. I think that is a perfect code. So the only thing I need to remember is how to write a window function. It's a window dot partition by key. I think it's not capital but small w only. Window dot partition by dept and order by column. Partition by and order by is the window functions. I think not group by. I believe group by. I don't know whether we can write it or not. Let's see the answer. Try to watch this video in double X speed because it is really slow. It's not my fault. It's not only my fault. It's GPT fault as well. But it will give a good idea of coding now because it is correcting properly and it is giving all the results properly. As of now, I didn't notice any specific issue with this. This is the only issue. Waiting for that. That's the only issue I could see. But you cannot help it. Very close. Just one fix. Capital W only. Okay. Window. Correct answer is capital W. Okay. Next one. Write code to remove duplicate rows from DF based on ID and event time. Write code to remove deduplicate, I mean like duplicate rows from DF based on ID and event time. DF dot. I need to group by that I know. DF dot. Group by I cannot apply on column. I can do group by first. I need to do group by that I know. Group by two columns, okay? DF ZROUP group by two columns, which is ID, comma, event underscore time, and event underscore time. You need to be very precise here, otherwise it will create a lot of confusion. Group by these two dot. I think deduplicate works. Deduplicate. This will work, I believe. Full line only. Remove duplicate rows, group by and deduplicate. I don't know whether if I group by, we will get only one record for the group. I think there will be a issue. It will generate there. Like it will say that if you group by, it will get only one record at a time. Maybe it will say, but not sure. Okay, good try, but wrong function. Okay, group by not needed for dedupe. Okay, deduplicate not by for function. Okay, right. Drop duplicates is the function. Directly you can write the code here. Drop duplicates is the function name. Df.drop duplicates off. Okay, always you need to give those keys in the square bracket. Okay, means list you're passing, list of column names you're passing to deduplicate function to deduplicate that. Okay, that's a good learning now. Okay, this is good. Dedupe always think drop duplicates of so and so. Okay, that's fine. Next one important interview favorite. Write a code to filter rows where age is greater than 30 and salary is not null is the function we need to remember. Write code to filter rows where age is greater than 30 and salary is not null. Df dot filter of column. I think I need to separate the functions in the filter. Okay, let's do column operation. Column operation of age. Okay, age is greater than 30. Is greater than 30. Multiple filters I'm gonna do, but how I'm gonna give is the question now. Comma column. I'll do with comma only. Let's see whether it is having some issue. Column. Uh, sal salary dot is not null. Okay, this is the way I'm writing, but let's see. I'm not fully confident on this, but let's see. Okay, I think it will be correct only. Let's see. I hope it is correct, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Because last time when I'm practicing this, filter won't accept direct column name, so that's why column operation I have introduced. But comma separator is the question for me. Either both it needs to consider how it will be deciding, then it's a question. And or how it will, yeah. Just to fix syntax, okay. Uh, is not null should be small is okay. Is not null. Filter takes one condition, not multiple arguments. Okay, then that's a very good thing. So if that is the case, how they gave correct answer is filter of okay column age greater than 30 is greater than 30, and if and or these are the things you need to use to operate to have multiple conditions. So I think this is a good learning till this session. So will do in the next session. So as of now, and thanks for watching my show, and try to subscribe, and also try to watch it 2x speed so that it will be it won't bore you. So that's it. Thank you so much.